So, hello, my friends from different states. I welcome you on our online show, Let's Speak in English with non native speakers. We have been doing this type of activities for a long time, and it's my pleasure to talk with the different friends from different states. Every day, we are getting new friends, new speakers, and they try to share their ideas, their knowledge, their experience with us. And that's why we are also updating our knowledge. And that's a good news. We have crossed the 20,000 subscribers in a very short time. And it is because of you.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you. And it is because of you, your love, your support. We have crossed the 20,000 subscribers in a short time.
Always with you, sir.
Okay. So let's start with our yesterday's topic. Yesterday we were talking about how to talk about your career. Okay, so let's start with our past topic and we are going to connect with a new topic. So Piyush Raj would like to say something about your career. After that, Sheikh Akhtar also will talk about his career and we are going to start a new topic.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, come on.
Sir, about the career.
Yeah,
Topic is
about your
about the career.
yes.
Sir, I'm a student of computers also, and I'm also preparing for banking examination and all the competitive examination who I crack, I join. So I said that I'm wrong, but one career is focused to for the better career. But I want to share with my experience. But if we are focused only one subject, only one career, then we cannot get mm, uh, soon success. So uh, we can find the all areas who can be comfortable and always try to searching our and improving our skills, all the fields like singing, dancing, and computer field, mechanical field, and all the fields uh, searching our careers. And
Okay,
I'm
that's good. That's good. That's good. Wonderful, wonderful. Now, Sheikh Akhtar, now this is your turn to talk about career. Okay, this is only the revision what we studied yesterday, what we practiced yesterday. I want to tell the all speakers, all new viewers, yesterday we tried to learn new vocabulary, how to talk about our careers, and this is only the demonstrations, how to use the vocabulary to talk about your career.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Sheikh Akhtar.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Hello, everybody. Myself is Muhammad Shaikh Akhtar. Uh, actually, we all are worried about our career for the survival of our life in a very effective way or in insufficient way. Everybody want to get good quality of job for the betterment of life, for the upgradation of life, to live life happily and to achieve the physical uh, uh, physical relaxation. Apart from that, I think nowadays, as far the education is growing up in our country, so everybody is willing uh, to adopt a good kind of career. So there are also the different kind of good opportunities in different fields, as like in IT, engineering, and in also the other sectors. So, so the most important thing for the career making is in today's life is education as well as the practical skill. So, and apart from that, the communication skill is also very important for today's life. And I would like to highlight on the language which is very much important in today's era, that is English. English is the global language at this time. It is globally accepted, and I think English are English is being spoken by the most of the countries. Thank you.
Okay. Excuse me, my dear friend. Someone is playing music, and I think this is little bit disturbance for us. So I request to turn
Yes,
off
yes.
your audio because this is meeting. Okay, and we all are spending our valuable time to learn something new, to share something new. Okay, okay. So thank you very much, Sheikh Akhtar, for talking
Sir,
about your career.
sir, I would like to say something. Sorry for inconvenience. Ambika Sharma.
Yeah, Ambika Sharma. Yeah, welcome to our show. Okay. Yeah, what
Yes,
would you
sir,
like
this
to?
is my first meeting.
Yeah.
Sir, hello, sir. First of all, I would like to say that thank you so much for inviting me in this meeting. I am Ambika Modotia. I am from center of India, Madhya Pradesh. It is geographic heart of India. I am a hardworking student of BSc second year from Madhya Pradesh. Along with I'm pursuing SI diploma sanitary inspector, as well as I'm preparing for SSC exam, government exams for my good future. Sir, today on which topic we will discuss?
Today we are going to know about the personality, character,
Personality. How should we develop our personality on this topic?
and vocabulary of the character and personalities. Then we are going to use these all words in a context. We are going to make our paragraph. We are going to make some sentences. We are going to describe person about his character. You can also compare your character, your personality few years ago, and now your character is different, your personality is different. So by using new vocabulary, we are going to learn.
Okay, sir. So from a very long time, I'm searching for this type of channel, which you have created. This is very great for me. This is very nice opportunity. Sir, I'm a student, so I would like to develop my skill. That's why I joined this meeting. First of all, when I see your sessions, these are wonderful sessions. Sir, I saw your all Cambly sessions. These are very nice. As I saw your fluency in English, I thought I should be try this, but I am very hesitant in speaking English. As you seeing now that I am very hesitate because I'm speaking first time in my life to in front of camera and in front of someone else speak English. Sir, I'm.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Ankita.
I will.
Okay, Ambika, sorry. First
Yes,
of
sir.
all,
Ambika.
let me, okay, thank you very much for joining our show. And second thing, I like your confidence. You are telling you are a little bit shy, you are nervous. No, you are very confident. That's why you just started speaking and you introduce yourself confidently. Okay, so I welcome you on our online show. Let's talk in English. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
so
Thank you very much. So
okay.
when I saw a teacher like you, those who is speaking very fluently in front of else, like native speakers, Americans, USA, UK, all of them, then I then I very appreciate from you. Then if one person can do this, then why we can't? We are students. You are a teacher, so we have to do this. That's why I thought I should also join this session and I should increase my fluency in English.
Okay.
So
So
we
yeah.
should yes sir yes sir we should first of all I would like to say that I want to join this session because I want to improve my conversation and my skills for giving interviews and at all in interviews and at all for competitive exams. Now I am a student of second year only. So I thought in lockdown especially to increase my English and to improve my English. So
Okay.
please say about, sorry, nothing.
Okay, okay, Ambika. Thank you very much. Definitely, you are going to get enough time to talk about yourself and to practice your English. Okay, so shall we start our session now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yesterday I told you today's our special vocabulary on character, personality. We all have personality, and all people have personality. Some people have bad personality, some people have good personality, some people have very attractive personality. And when you compare yourself, you had a different personality few years ago, and now you have quite different personality. So I think you thought about yourself, and I think that was the requirement to change your personality. That's why you changed your personality. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello.
Let me, yeah.
Hello, sir. I am Papia,
Okay.
and I am new here. Today I joined for the first time.
Yeah. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you, sir, for giving me the chance.
Okay, definitely. This is the platform to practice our English. So every day I'm going to give the chance to all new subscribers, viewers, speakers. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. So before starting our topic, let me tell you about the personality, about character. Okay, what do you think about your character, about your personality? Do you have the same character which you had 10 years ago, 15 years ago, or you have changed?
We have changed. Change with
We are
situation.
changed, sir. Definitely, we are changed.
It should be changed, sir.
And I think we are not quite satisfied with our present personality, our present character. We want to develop it.
Yes, you are right.
So our journey starts from that. Okay, how we made our character, our personality. So there is a major role of your surrounding. What kind of people do you observe every day? It affects on you. 70-80% from your heredity. What kind of personality does your father and your mother have? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
But day by day, when you started growing up, you thought that my personality is not quite enough to survive myself. Some people have, developed personality. They are more confident than me. They are more optimistic than me. I'm a little bit a shy person. Yes or no?
Introvert. Yes.
Okay.
Then your journey started. You tried. Okay, and the good news is that we can change our personality if we start working on it. But we have to do it. Let me give the example. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. When he was born, that time he was not Mahatma Gandhi. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But how Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi became the Mahatma Gandhi? He changed his
So through his
point of view. He changed his mindset. He changed his character. He changed his personality. And he executed everything. Whatever he studied, whatever he observed, he applied in his life. Yes or no?
Yes.
So when you are learning about the personality development, that is not information. Sir, I have read the book of personality development. I know the personality. That is not enough. You have to apply in yourself. Yes or no? Then you can. That is a
Yes, you are right.
practical way. That's a practical way.
Can I
So,
say something, Prakash, sir?
yes, definitely. Ganesh Shah.
Yes, actually, yeah. So myself, Ganesh, and actually, I used to work in multinational company for Ireland campaign. And as you said, now just we don't have to just remember the words, but we should do actions. So there is one famous thought. Actually, I remember now. People say a lot, but we should see actions and what they inculcate in their personality and how they behave day to day surroundings. And this is what matters to us, not just saying that matters to us, but it's practicality that matters.
Okay. Then the question is that
So,
how can we change our personality? Then? How can we change our
yeah.
personality?
Do you want me to answer this, Prakash?
Yes, definitely.
Yes. Thank you so much. How can we develop our personality? Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes, just if today I come to know that I am lacking somewhere, I'm not able to communicate with anyone. I don't have, I'm lacking in communication skill. My pronunciation is not proper. My communication is not effective, what it should be, but it is lacking somewhere. And also, people say something, but other people understand something. So I'm not able to communicate the proper message to those people who are not understanding what I want to say
Still
to them,
breaking,
but
sir.
they are just understanding what they want to understand. So this is what matter here. So once I come to know that I am lacking somewhere, so I will try to develop that skill in me, rather than just pretending to be. I have just developed myself. Uh, so my short-term goal is to just improve my communication skill, and I have joined here on this conferencing. So this is for me. Just I want to develop my persona. So how can I be better tomorrow? So flex is a rule of life, and how can I be better tomorrow? Means how can I won't be same like I was yesterday. So I want to be better. I want to learn from people. I want to be hear your feedback from you actually. So it would be helpful for me to develop my skills and my personality also. So this is the good
Hello.
platform here. And
So may I say something?
Yeah,
So we
definitely.
can
Okay, thank you.
so
Yes.
we can improve our personality and skills through interaction with each other. We should interact to pupils. We should interact with environment. We should try to speak with them.
Hello, sir. Good
Uh,
evening. I would like to answer your question.
Please ignore. Someone is speaking, then let her finish her first. Okay, let her finish first.
yes, sir. This type of we can interaction with each others. This type of we can improve our English and conversation. Because when we are talking, we are very shy and nervous. We thought that if we will say something on in front of someone, then they will laugh. This is not the thing. We should try to speak and try to interact with them. This type of we can improve our conversation. Or as we know the tips of conversation is vocabulary to practice more and more English. This type of as you are learners, but we should also try to speak this type of. Okay, sir.
Okay, yes. Who was asking me? Yes. Yes, dear friend. Hello, someone was asking me, sir, can I answer like that? Try to save
I
our
think,
time.
sir, he was new guy.
Yeah, but who is? Yes, now, can you hear me? Yes, now this is your turn to say about that. Then I want to start our vocabulary session.
Sir, can I, sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
Pankaj, yes, sir. Sir, in one word, personality means improve your weakness, sir.
Yeah.
In one word.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. So, if you really want to improve your personality, first
Can I
of
tell
all,
my opinion?
you have to know your personality, your character. What type of personality do you have? Yes or no?
Yes.
Then you have to work on it. And the good news is
Yeah.
that we can change our personality if we try. Then how?
Yes.
Our question is how. Okay. In the beginning, I also told you your personality depends on your surrounding and from your heredity also. So if you are living in village, you have that type of personality. If you are living in Mumbai, then you know, oh, Mumbai wale log to aise hote. Means we know that their character, because your surrounding people, what type of personality they have, it affects on your personality, and you mold your personality like that. So how can we, that's a question, how can we develop our personality? So we are living in the technology era. We have to watch the great people who has a great personality. We must start reading those type of the great people. So you can, you install the new ideas of the great personality, you think about those people, and whatever you think, it reflects on your personality. Then you start working like that, your actions will speak like that.
Network issue.
Yes, yes.
Good evening, sir.
Sir,
This is
I would
Rajkumar.
like to say
Yeah,
now
Rajkumar.
something.
Sir, actually, I have one confusion.
Yeah,
The one doubt.
yeah.
If then, sir,
What
if you
is
are
it?
saying as according to you, if character is whatever the surrounding in there, it's going. We are that person is going to get affected. Then,
Yeah.
sir, what is behavior? I'm getting confused between two, behavior and character, because character is coming our in itself, intuition, it's a instinct, we can say it's an instinct, but how it is related with the surrounding with our character.
Okay,
If
I don't have
uh,
enough knowledge about the character or these things. I'm sorry for that. Okay.
okay,
Yes, I'm here
Hello,
to just
sir.
describe the vocabulary on character. I
Sir,
know how to
I want
teach
to
the.
add something.
Hello.
Okay, yeah.
Hello, just a
okay,
minute.
sir, sure,
Sir?
sir.
So, actually, the behavior is an external action. So, character is the internal quality of any personality, and
Yes,
behavior is the external action. So,
That's what I
somehow
was
it is the reason.
yes,
Yeah.
that's why I got confused, because the sir was explaining, I think, behavior, because behavior always getting by one person will get by external effect. That's called behavior. Character means it is our internal matter, and behavior will change according to the situation, according to the place, and so on. But character will be the same for each and every place where we are going.
So, behavior
Isn't it, sir?
also depends upon your character. Whatever
Yes,
the
yes,
internal quality you have,
yes,
that
yes.
also depend upon them.
Yes,
Absolutely
yes.
correct.
Reflect
Okay,
on your
your
behavior.
behavior depends on your character. What type of character do you have? You
Yes, yes,
you
yes.
behave like that. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so now let
Hello,
me
sir.
share.
I want to share.
Yeah,
Sir, I want to share my opinion.
yeah,
Can I?
yes, definitely.
Sir, sir, we can change our personality by being taken everything positively.
Hmm.
We should try to build our confidence. We should take some little steps to improve ourselves. We should communicate with different types of people and learn things from them. What
Oh,
is good in them, we can learn from them. We should
definitely,
change our
definitely.
mentality. If
Yes, yes,
this is
yes.
not good, if this is not good, then our character will be not good. So we think change our mentality. That's enough, sir. That's all.
Okay, thank
So
you
I
very
want to
much.
say something.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. Just say.
Sir, yes. I want to say what is a character.
Hmm.
As you said, that today's topic is a character, and I researched on it on a Google, and I
Hmm.
found that character is a set of qualities. And being a student, and I also joined a NCC, in which I learned different kinds of qualities, which has been find in SSB while I will be appear in SSB, like do you have a confidence or cooperations or reasoning ability, that kinds of qualities should be in a positive character. The SSB assessor will find this kind of character, this kind of qualities in the positive.
Okay, good. Then,
Okay. So can I share my experience?
yeah, definitely, definitely.
Yeah. So today's topic is personality. So I'm
Yeah.
talk about some personality traits now. So we know the personality. Personality means it's not about the one thing, but it's a group of things. Means 360 development of everything. It's called the personality. Now, how can you develop the personality? It is the main question.
Hmm.
Now, in every situation, we have the option to choose. So that is also matter of personality. How can I choose the moment, the option? Okay, if you choose the best option, you will get the best one. Means how to manage the Facebook, how to manage the everything, Gmail, or how to manage the study, how to manage your time, how do you communicate, how to behave, all the things comes under the personality. So we have to improve our personality so that we can manage all the time to ourselves. Since we have the when we manage our time with ourselves, we will get the time also, and we can manage the time, and we can improve our life. So I want to say that improve our personality means is not one thing, but it's the 360 development of everything. So that's it. Thank you.
Okay, very nice, super. Now, anybody else?
Regarding what, sir?
Anybody wants to add something about personality character, because some people have not got the chance yet. So if they want to say something about that, so I welcome them.
May I?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. May I?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Please, Yadav.
Pankaj Mehta from Udaipur,
Yeah.
right? Sir, from my point of view, if how can we express anything in front of others? It is called character.
Yeah.
Because there are two ways to express ourselves in front of others. If we are express ourselves positively and someone like our positiveness, it is called good character. If we are not express and or execute ourselves in front of them and they don't like that, it means it's a bad character. That's it.
Okay, that's good. Okay, can you see on the screen something?
Yes, sir.
Describing character.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Actually, our main point is that to know new words about the character to describe the character. Okay. So we have used our vocabulary, our language. Now you can see the positive and negative characters. Some people are warm and friendly. Some people are cold and unfriendly. Some people are kind. Some people are unkind. Some people are nice. Some people are horrible. Some people are pleasant. Some people are unpleasant. Okay. Some people are generous. Some people are mean, optimistic, pessimistic, cheerful, miserable, relaxed, or some people are always intense. Okay, some people are strong, some people are weak, some people are sensitive, some people are insensitive, some people are honest, some people are dishonest. So this is a collection of vocabulary, how to describe the character. Okay, now how can we use these all words? So you have some friend circle, you have your relatives, and you know they all are different in characters. They don't have the same character. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Absolutely.
obviously, sir.
Absolutely.
Exactly, sir.
So how can we use, okay, our main purpose is to learn new vocabulary to describe the character. Yes or no? So we are not going to cram here. Okay, we know some character, just connect this word. Oh yeah, I know that person. He is very friendly. He is, okay, I can say Rajkumar is very friendly person. He always likes to speak, and he speaks with, his conversation also friendly. So we can use new words like that. Kind, unkind. During the lockdown period, you have seen lot of kind people. They want to help others. So why? Because they are kind people. That's why they are helping the poor people. But some people are unkind. They don't want to help others. Pleasant, unpleasant, generous, mean. Okay, optimistic, pessimistic. Have you seen this type of person, optimistic?
Yeah, Narendra Modi is the optimistic
Yes, sir.
leader.
So you can also say,
our prime minister is the optimistic.
Okay, so you can say, sir, let me tell you,
Very-
when I was in the school, I was very pessimistic. I thought that I can't do anything, But now I am very optimistic. I always think positively. Yes, sir, I can do everything, whatever I think. So that shows your positive attitude. Okay, so if you are able to think positively, you are optimistic. But if you think negatively, no, it's not possible for me, then you are pessimistic person. So what kind of person do you want to be? Optimistic or pessimistic?
Optimistic.
Definitely.
Obviously, sir.
But what is the problem? Sometimes people don't know.
Optimistic.
People don't know. They are pessimistic, and that's not good. That's why they never work on their character. Am I right?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, yes,
But
sir.
Sir.
can we describe
Absolutely
two
right.
different people? So in that case, we have to use positive as well as negative character.
Yeah.
So sir, can I describe one character of my friend?
Definitely no. Let me finish just 3-4 words. Then I'm going to give you the to make the paragraph. Okay, use some words and make the paragraph
Okay,
or
sir.
tell something about that. So that is the process.
Okay, sure, sir.
Okay. So optimistic and
Okay.
pessimistic, is it clear? Now cheerful and miserable. So sometimes people say me, no, sir, you are always cheerful. We always see smile. We see smile on your face. So, and have you seen in my school time, I had one teacher, he was always miserable.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. And some people are relaxed, easygoing,
He
and
is
some people are
definitely
tense.
bad teacher.
Yeah. Okay. So when I was doing B.Ed, I had some friends and they are always intense. Okay, exam is coming, my practical is on that day, my Viva is on that day, my presentation is on that day. Oh my God, and Prakash, what are you doing? You don't worry about exam. You are always
He is
relaxed, easy going.
he is making you tense always.
Okay, and
He's pessimistic, right?
when our result announced on the very first exam, then he
He is
was shocked.
Prakash.
He was shocked. Oh, what happened? What did you do?
Prakash is first and he is last.
Okay, so strong and weak, sensitive and insensitive. Have you seen some insensitive people? Does not think about others' feelings.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
sometimes my wives tell me you are very sensitive because I cry sometimes when I watch movies. In the emotional scene, I cry. So my wife, you are very sensitive. I know. And have you seen some people? They are insensitive. They don't have feelings
Yes,
for
sir.
other.
Yes.
The
Honest,
Hitler.
yeah.
Feeling about others also.
For
Honest
example,
and
Hitler.
dishonest. Okay. So now we have got the collection of words. How to describe the characters, positive and negative. You can also talk about your past. Sir, I was unpleasant. Sir, I was pessimistic. Sir, I was miserable. But now, when I came to the big cities, then when I started meeting the good friends, then I changed my character. I became more positive. Is it clear? So, should I stop this slide
Yes, sir.
now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now,
So
I think you are ready.
yes,
Now,
sir.
first of all, Shailesh Patel, please use
Yes, sir.
4 or 5 words and talk. Describe any
Okay,
character.
Okay, sir. Today I'm going to tell you about a friend of mine. His name is Sitendra. He is very slimy and tall boy with black hair. He is a good-natured, honest, and optimistic man. He always helpful person. He has a really nice smile. He is a cheerful, generous, and easygoing, and sometimes he becomes miserable and tense. But he always wants to be around, and he is always very straightforward. He always try to make his surrounding comfortable when a person comes from unknown. And I have known him for about more than 7+ years since we were in university. We get well because we have a similar attitude to life and we always have lots of about the talk. So that's it, sir.
Okay, so let me use 2 words for Shailesh Patel's character. Shailesh Patel is optimistic and confident man. Am I right? Shailesh
Yes.
Patel is
Yes, yes.
optimistic and confident, or an optimistic and confident guy. Is it clear?
But sometimes,
Yes.
sir, I'm not feeling that I'm confident.
No,
That is my weakness.
No. Don't think that. Okay, be optimistic now. You can do everything.
Yeah, that. Yes. Okay, sir.
This
That
is his
correct.
simplicity actually. He's not.
Okay, my friend always tell me, no, Prakash, what is your plus point? You know, you are confident. You are more confident than others. That's why you win always. Okay, so this also my confidence. Let's start. Online show, no problem. Let's meet the new people. Let's practice my English. Okay. No one is going to kill you. No one is going to kill you. Okay, start from mistakes. But if you keep trying, one day you will reach your destination. One day you will be successful person.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, definitely.
Exactly, sir. Exactly.
And the pessimistic people
Mistake
say
is
that,
first step, sir.
you know, pessimistic people think that, oh, if I make mistake and people will laugh at me, no, I don't want to start.
I say one story. Prakash sir, about confidence, regarding confidence.